This is what I'm going to cover today. It should be on your desk. These are the key points that I've been using for 25 years. I think they're true then. I think they're true today. I think they'll be true in 25 years. And I think that's what investing, successful investing is all about. And the first point is know what you own. I can't believe how many people own stocks and they couldn't describe to an 11-year-old in 2 minutes or less why they own this thing or what it is. If you actually pin them down and you put a whip to them, they'd say the sucker's going up. That's the only reason they have for, and this is the normal kind of company that people buy. This is a very simple story. I own a lot of companies like this. They make a relatively mundane product. It's a 1 megabit SRAM CMOS bipolar risk floating point data I/O array processor with optimizing compiler, 16-bit dual port memory, Unix operating system, 4 whetstone megaflop polysilicon emitter with a high bandwidth, that's important, 6 gigahertz double metallization communication protocol, asynchronous backward compatibility, peripheral bus architecture, 4-wave interleave memory, token ring interchangeable backplane, and they do it in 15 nanoseconds of capability. Now, if you own a piece of shit like that, you will never make money. Never. Somebody come up with more whetstones, less whetstones, big mega flop. I mean, what do you do if this thing goes from 12 to 9? Do you buy more? Do you walk around the block? I mean, do you call your friends? I mean, what the hell do you do with something like that? People buy this stuff. I mean, I buy stuff like Dunkin' Donuts and Stop and Shop and CVS and made money in all those. And Sally Mae was just here right before me. I mean, there's a stock I bought that they had a great name. It was Student Loan Marketing. I mean, who would ever buy anything like that? It was a great name. If you heard the story, I think 100 people heard the story. In fact, I had dinner last night with Al Lord and Ed Fox and Paul Carey. We're all in that roadshow in 1983. I think if 100 people looked at Sally Mae, they would have bought it, but 100 people wouldn't look at it because imagine loaning money to students. Imagine doing anything with students. And it was a great story. It was simple, and no one looked at it. So that's the kind of stocks I like to buy. But I'm telling you, people don't do this. And I'm talking sophisticated people, unsophisticated people. They don't know what the company is, what's the story. And it's very important to know it because it doesn't always work. And you have to keep posted.